Good morning or afternoon or evening. We are doing lesson 5 in our skills unit number 1. We're going to start with our warm-up, counting our fingers. We're going to count from 1 to 10. I would suggest doing it about 5 times. Maybe a little more, go slower sometimes, go faster sometimes, and make sure that they put one finger up every time you say a number, just like last week. Okay, you can pause and then continue when you're ready. Next, this is something brand new. We are going to be, this is not brand new. We're going to be listening for how many noises, and then we're going to move into something that's brand new. Okay, so listen for these noises, and I want you to be able to tell me how many noises you hear. How many was that? 3. Good job. Let's try again. Put your fingers down and try again. How many was that? 4. Okay, now parents, if you wanted to pause and do this yourself as well, I would probably do it about 5 or 6 times. Do this one more time. How many was that? 4. Good job. Okay, now this is something that's brand new. Instead of making noises, we're going to put our finger up for every word I say. Okay, so I'm going to start with my first sentence. Hit the ball. You should have 3 fingers up. Let's try it one more time. Hit the ball. Okay, good job. Put your fingers down and let's try again. This is a new set of words. A cold day. How many fingers? 3. Put your fingers down. Let's try another one. He hugs mom. Also 3. Put your fingers down and try again. Chocolate is sweet. Perfect. 3 also. Put your fingers down. Let's do it again. Dogs can bark. 3 also. Good job. Last one. Cats can purr. Okay, now we're going to try it again with the objects like we did last week. You have the paper with the green star and the red dot. I suggested making one just like that. Okay, we're going to do the same thing we did with the fingers, except every time you say the word, then the child's going to put the object up there. You can pause that and do this with your child. Pick up when you're ready. And then, as always, we are going to say our greeting using our right hand. You can also go back to the follow me and have the child hold the object in their right hand and tell them put your right hand on top of your head, like we did last week. Or you can just continue greeting people in your house. Next, you're going to get Play-doh and make vertical lines, horizontal lines, and circles. Not a circle that is solid. You're going to want it just to be the circle of the outline to mimic the writing strokes that you're going to practice today. You're going to practice the circles. Remember that the arrow is going in the order, in the direction that you're going to be writing. So you're going to go to the left all the way down and then back up to the star to make the circle. Make sure you have that tripod grip down. And then the last page, I'm going to explain this to y'all. You're going to put your fingers starting on the star, okay? And then whenever you say bird, the child will move their finger on top of the bird in the very first line. Then you're going to move to dog, then cupcake, and then flower. You're going to finish that line and move to the second line, never taking your finger off of the page. They're going to follow along and go dog, flower, bird, cupcake. You're going to want to stay within the same type of time frame as you were counting, or as I was counting, 1, 2, 3. Don't go too fast. This is going to be something that's very new to them, but it's important to do this for whenever we start learning to actually read. That way they can point to the words and move their finger along with the words as we're reading books. That is your lesson for today. See y'all tomorrow.